Welcome to the Adverio Growth Optimizers YouTube channel. If you're here, you likely are selling on Amazon, Walmart, Target, or other e-commerce places such as Shopify, etc. And you're looking for tactics and strategies and up-to-date tools for how to level the playing field and do better on these platforms. And you've come to the right place. In 2014, we found that there are 4 key tenets to growing a successful brand in e-commerce. The first is providing quality products that stand the test of time and provide more value than expected by the shoppers. Even if you only do this one thing, then the rest of your business will be much simpler and easier to execute. Secondly, you have to have a clearly conveyed message of your value along every step of the shopper's journey. This will make your product stand out against the sea of lookalikes and commodities. The third is you have to maintain a large enough audience by speaking directly to them, being available in the exact areas where they're shopping for your products, as well as being creative and finding new ways to target different audiences. The fourth is you have to scale. You have to put systems in place so that you don't do it all by yourself and you don't keep spinning your wheels. If you have those 4 key tenets in place, then you can grow an extremely profitable and successful brand. You can earn more money so you can afford your desired lifestyle and do the things that you want to do. You'll have more freedom so that you can spend time doing those things the way that you want to. You'll have more impact on your life and your business. This is exactly what we will share on this channel. How to provide quality products, sell more, make more, and generate that lifestyle that you originally set out on your entrepreneurial journey. So hit the subscribe button so you can follow along for a stampede of weekly recommendations and solutions to take your brand and your life to that next level and beyond.